The S26 Ultra's character is being shaped by a new wave of color, and it seems like Samsung is preparing for something more significant than normal. The initial indications from ICE Universe point to a blend of traditional grace and a daring new outlook, and to be honest, the anticipation is already growing. White and silver are confirmed to be two of the primary finishes based on early details. Both have the polished metal tone that instantly conveys supreme quality and the sleek, high-end appearance for which Samsung is renowned. However, the new purple finish is the main attraction. Samsung seems to want this one to take center stage based on the manner it is being teased. Anticipate a richer, darker purple that stands out in advertising photos and seems eye-catching on retail shelves. The second round of news follows. Samsung has finally verified the Exynos 2600 and its impending release following weeks of leaks. We got our first official peek from a brief teaser video. With the opening line, "In silence, we listened," Samsung acknowledges the flaws with earlier Exynos CPUs. Then, with statements like "refined at the core" and "optimized at every level," the tone shifts to one of confidence. According to preliminary testing, the Exynos 2600 can compete with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and is anticipated to be the first 2nm smartphone chipset to be released. Although it won't be available in every market, Samsung intends to introduce this processor with the Galaxy S26 series. With a next-generation chipset and a new distinctive color, the S26 Ultra is positioned to offer a new look supported by significant power. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung's current flagship non-foldable device, is available in an amazing choice of colors. Jet black and titanium black are two stylish possibilities if black is your color of choice. The titanium black blends a black screen with a silver frame, giving each a very different feel, while the jet black shines with a completely black panel and frame. The shades have their own narrative, even among black people. But with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the company's next non-foldable flagship, things might get much more intriguing. ICE Universe on X claims that the black version of the Galaxy S26 Ultra will have a black frame instead of the titanium black of the S25 Ultra. This small but significant change gives the display bezels a stronger, more noticeable appearance. Samsung isn't restricting your options, though. The two black options, jet black and titanium black, may still be available. Both may have black frames, but you can anticipate that the hues will be very different, offering you a new twist on the traditional black. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.